Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your avatar on Mini Games Calm and Relax application. To change your avatar in Mini Games, launch open the Mini Games application on your device and from the home page, tap on your current profile avatar at the top left. Now you will be able to see your profile section where you can see your avatars as well. In order to unlock the avatars, you'll need to complete certain story and chapter. Simply select the avatar available and click on the confirm button. Some of the avatars out there will require enough stamps to unlock them. Just make sure you play the game and unlock avatars, stamps, and much more. So that is how you will be able to change your avatar in mini games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.